tẹ̀ sí ìlú ẹ ṣe púpọ̀ yóò bá lè ṣàn á san fún yín ọlọ́run fún ara àsàn yìí.
Àmín.
Dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́. The real jákèjì máa sọ real is coming. Kò yẹ ká máa gbégbó ẹ̀yìn. Kí ni ó dẹ̀ pè ní egbò ẹ̀yìn? Nítorí kíní kan disagreement kékeré kan ṣẹlẹ̀ níbi tẹ́ ti ṣèpàdé èèyàn kan lọ fi pàdé lọ gbé sórí mídíà à ń pariwo ẹ̀ ó ń ṣe ìlérí ó ń pariwo àwa Yorùbá Ọlọ́run fún wa ní gift ẹ̀bùn ká mọ núrò ká mọ nǹkan papọ̀ ká mọ yí padà ká mọ rò padà àwa Yorùbá Ọlọ́run fún wa ní ẹ̀bùn yẹn. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ tún wá fún wa ní ẹ̀bùn pé ká mọ ọ̀rọ̀ sọ ká mọ especially tó bá ti jẹ́ èdè ara wa là ń sọ yẹn irú wa ṣọ̀wọ́n láyé o. One professor of language ó ní the Yoruba language is one of the most sophisticated languages on earth. The way the Yoruba use their language is so complex that the rest of the world doesn't have any other language like that. Yeah. So tó bá jọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá là ń sọ yẹn àmọ́ wọ́n sọ púpọ̀. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká lo gbogbo nǹkan tá a ní láti máa ṣó àwọn tí ò fẹ́ràn wa pé àbí disagreement wà láàrin wọn ni àbí ìjà wà láàrin wọn ni àbí bínú sẹ́nìkẹ́ni o àgbọ́dọ̀ bínú sẹ́nìkankan lára wa. Gbogbo yín ni mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ṣe every little thing tí kálukú bá ṣe ló contribute to the struggle. So I thank all of you. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe mídíà pátápátá mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín mo dẹ̀ gbàdúrà fún yín pé Ọlọ́run máa bless yín o. Torí náà ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rántí ìyẹn. Nígbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé ọmọ tí ò bá ọmọ ẹni the people tó bá ń jà fún ẹ̀yà wọn. We want to separate from this country. We don't want this. We don't want to be a colony to this country anymore. We don't want them to rule us anymore. A few people ló máa ń ṣe kì í ṣe gbogbo ayé. Bí ẹ̀yìn tí mo sọ pé ọmọ tí ò lẹ́ ní ìyá ni wọ́n. A máa pariwo American War of Independence. A few hàn ló ṣe o. A few people. Ló yẹ pé amórúkọ wọn. Jefferson, Madison, a few others more. Time. Nǹkan tó ń lọ́kì sí ni wípé àwọn ìjọba tí wọ́n sọ pé a fẹ́ wà lábẹ́ yín mọ́ go and tell the King of England pé a sí lábẹ́ ẹ̀ mọ́ a fẹ́ ti country tiwa lọ́tọ̀. Wọ́n ní ọ̀nà mìíràn tí wọ́n lè fi try láti stop wọn ti pé kán kó ológun wá láti England. Nígbà kan dẹ̀ wá kólógun wá àwọn dìfíù tó rẹ́dì láti sọ pé a máa kúrò yẹn wọ́n wá lè àpèsè some of their own people pé ogun mà ti dé ìkíni tá a fi ń ṣeré káàkiri from settlement to settlement ní lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ó mà ti gbógun kálukú jáde wá a lot of people then came out and enrolled in the army for the liberation of the country. Some of the people tó ti wà ní British Army tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n sá kúrò ní British Army wọ́n lọ join àwọn èèyàn wọn ebi tí wọ́n ti ní àmì ní àdẹ́wọ́n wá lọ́kì ìjà wà láàrin France àti Britain nígbà yẹn France wá fọgbọ́n abẹ́lé ọgbọ́n gbogbo wọ́n fi ṣe ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn Amẹ́ríkà tí wọ́n ní wọ́n máa tó fẹ́ dójú ti Britain ti dójú ti wọ́n kò tí fẹ́ àwọn náà wá fẹ́ dójú ti Britain. So wọ́n wá support àwọn tó ní wọ́n máa kúrò lábẹ́ Britain. That's all. Ẹ rò pé gbogbo Amẹ́ríkà ló ń pariwo pé àwọn fẹ́ jagun àwọn máa kúrò rárá o. It's just a handful of people. It's a handful of people. And there were very many influential Americans, rich farmers, rich business people. In cities like Boston, New York, etc., Philadelphia, tí wọ́n lówó bọ̀ tí wọ́n jáde tí wọ́n ever support the struggle yẹn. wọ́n kọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ o ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ordinary people ní òtún ẹ̀gbọ́n nǹkan tó ń ṣe ni ò dáwọn lóhùn tó ń ṣoko wọn lọ jẹ́ àbí kan ló máa ṣe lébùrà wọn jẹ́ so ẹni tó bá dìde tó bá lóun fẹ́ jà fún ẹ̀yà ọmọ tí ò níyà nìyí o ẹ má máa tó wá lọ máa gbéra yín léwọ àwọn ọ̀tá kẹ́ lọ máa sọ nǹkan tó bá tẹ̀ bá yóò pé kò dáa tó láàrin yín kẹ́ tó wá lọ máa gbé jáde àṣọ fortunately gbà tí wọ́n ní social media wọn tẹ̀ tí ní tẹlifíṣàn wọn tí ní rédíò so ó sì ṣe ọmọ bá ń jà ládùúgbò kan ibẹ̀ nìkan náà làwọn arábẹ̀ mọ̀ kò sẹ́ni kankan tó máa wò lórí rédíò ló máa wò lórí tẹlifíṣàn but àwa ní gbogbo ẹ̀ báyìí so easy ibi tá a ti sọ̀rọ̀ dé wọ́n ti lẹ́ni lára wa tó máa gbé lọ táwọn máa sọ tó máa pè é tó máa là á tó máa bù tó máa mix ẹ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká control ara wa nípa yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká control ara kì í ṣe nǹkan burúkú mi ò lẹ́yìn nǹkan tó ṣe nǹkan burúkú o bọ̀tún nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni pé ẹ jẹ́ ká máa rántí wípé àwọn tó wà níta ń bẹ̀ yẹn tí wọ́n fẹ́ da nǹkan tá à ń ṣe irú wọn pọ̀ bí ẹ̀ lára àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ló ní àwọn Fúlàní o lára àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wọn pọ̀ kí lẹ́yìn dẹ̀ wá politics tara wọn wọ́n ṣe máa rí jẹ lọ́dọ̀ politician wọ́n ṣe máa dolówó wọ́n ṣe máa ṣe wọ́n ti ẹ̀rí lára wa tó lọ fún àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní ní information nípa nǹkan tá à ń ṣe wọ́n rí kan bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Kwara lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí wọ́n discover pé ó lọ gbé gbogbo information nípa Yorùbá struggle nípa Yorùbá nation ó lọ ń gbé fún àwọn Fúlàní nínú igbó wọ́n dẹ̀ ń sanwó fún owó tó gbà lọ́wọ́ wọn a ò mọyé ẹ̀ bọ̀tí nígbà tí wọ́n wá discover ètò ìtìjú wa mú tó commit suicide 43 million náà bá nílẹ̀ 43 million cash so irú àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ wà káàkiri ẹ má gbé ayé ìwà lé wọn lọ́wọ́ má máa jẹ́ ká máa sọ̀rọ̀ wá sí ìta rẹ̀ pátápátá bá a jẹ máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn mo fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ti lànà fún wa o a máa ní kọ́ńtì wa Tinubu fẹ́ ṣe election ló ń kó ayé jọ pẹ́ kó àwọn politicians ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀jọ́ pẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ máa tó fọ́mọ lójú láìpẹ́ tó Ọlọ́run ti ń bẹ lókè ọ̀run ó máa fọ́mọ lójú ẹni tí ìyá bí ẹ bàbá bí ẹ wọ́n bí ẹlòmíràn mọ́ ẹ wọ́n bí ẹlòmíràn ṣáájú ẹ wọ́n bí lẹ́yìn ẹ fámìlì yín wá wà ní déjà ìwọ wá sọ pé àwọn fámìlì yín yòókù wá sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká dìfẹ́ǹdì ara wa ìwọ wá gbọ́n ju gbogbo àwọn yòókù wá rò pé tó bá ti ṣe tiẹ̀ tó bá ti gún ó ti tán ò kẹ́à nípa àwọn yòókù Ọlọ́run ló dá yín Ọlọ́run ò fi ń ṣọba ìka Ọlọ́run àwa ṣe wà wá succeed for possible it's not possible something is going to happen that will stop Tinubu and give us our country Ọlọ́run ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lópin a ò ṣépè fún ọ àbúrò mi dáadáa ní omi ò lè ṣépè fún ṣùgbọ́n mo mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀jẹ̀ tó wà lára mi ó sọ fún èmi wípé àbúrò mi yìí ṣe burúkú Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ní jẹ́ kó succeed rẹ̀ that's all mi ò ní ká burúkú kankan ṣe o ṣùgbọ́n he is not going to succeed with this one the best choice for him ni pé Ọlọ́run ṣe president the country within 1 year of the presidency he want to pass 614,000 people kìí ṣe ẹni tó ń gẹ̀ẹ́sì ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o àwọn National Bureau of Statistics ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ pé ní the first 12 months of the Tinubu presidency from May 2023 to April 2024 614,000 Nigerians have been killed by bandits and terrorists 614,000 àwọn ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀ṣẹ̀ president káàkiri ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn kan jọ wọ́n ti kúrò ní pàtì wọn wọ́n ti wá jọ ní pàtì ẹ̀ nǹkan tó rí nìyẹn ní gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn nǹkan tó rí nìyẹn. àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ àtàbúrò ẹ̀ àtìyá ẹ̀ àti bàbá ẹ̀ ló sùn ní Àkúrẹ́ lẹ́bàá Àkúrẹ́ táwọn Fúlàní jí wá ní ìdájí wọn wá lọ pa àwọn ọmọ orí bẹ́ẹ̀ more than 40 of them. Àwọn ìgbọ́n ènìyàn àwọn ẹ̀jẹ̀ ènìyàn ẹ̀tọ́ Ọlọ́run dá mọ́ ẹ bẹ̀rù pé inú Ọlọ́run á dúró dẹ̀ sọ kankan nípa ẹ̀kọ́ kan rárá ọ̀rọ̀ politics ẹ̀ náà ló ń ṣe káàkiri. Wọ́n ní wọ́n pa 200 people ní Benue State. Ìjọ yẹn ló ń ṣe happy Father's Day fún àwọn politicians ẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ kan bá gba ìpè ìbọ̀lọ̀ bá wọn. Happy Father's Day in a country where that morning over 200 people were burnt to death. The country has disintegrated. You are the only person still holding it together. Tó bá yọ ọwọ́ ẹ lé ní pé wo ẹ̀yin ará bí àwọn tó lóun kó jọ nǹkan tí ó ṣe kó jọ. Gbogbo ní ẹlẹ́jọ́ APC wọ́n jọ ìlú APC ìgbà tí ẹ kóra yín jọ ní northeast ní last week bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe meeting APC leaders ìjẹ́ kìí ṣe pé àjàtúkà lẹ́jà tí ò bẹ̀. Kò sí country mọ́ political party wọn tó ń sọ wọn yẹn ò ní party mọ́ kò jẹ́ nǹkan tó wọ́n jẹ́ nǹkan kan mọ́. The reason tí wọ́n fi sáwá sí APC ni pé wọ́n ń ṣèjọba ẹ̀dẹ̀ belong to APC. That's all. Kì í ṣe pé wọ́n love APC. Wọ́n rí nǹkan kan ní party wọn mọ́ party wọn ò jẹ́ nǹkan kan lójú wọn mọ́. Party tiẹ̀ náà ò jẹ́ nǹkan kan lójú wọn bọ̀ lóṣù ní kíní kan ẹni tó ń ṣe president wà ń bẹ̀ therefore èèyàn sì lè rí jẹ bẹ̀. That is all. You think you have a country? You do not have a country, my brother. There is no country called Nigeria anymore. It exists only in your fantasy. And that fantasy will be blown apart, will be blown into smithereens by the Almighty God himself. And then you will come to reality and come home and join your people in looking for a country of your own, where you can gather your people together, make proper plans as the way Yoruba people know how to make for the progress and prosperity of your land, for better schooling for your children, for bringing your people who have 11 million, more than 11 million who have fled abroad, to bring them back home so that they can become part of the contributor to the progress and prosperity of their land. Program is about some very obscure country in the world. One country in Mongolia, in the Siberian ice and snow desert. There is a people there, far in the interior, far from the world. This is the third sun. They are not part of this world at all. And they don't want contact with the rest of the world. But Mongolia, money a large town. The capital, Mongolia. Shema Pera Yoruba Wawambe, far in the snow desert of the earth. No go. Come on, yeah. Mo lè sọ yẹn fún mi ò bínú sí àbúrò mi ni. But mo lè sọ yẹn fún pé wọ́n àbúrò a lè dúró dé torí ti ẹnìkan kí gbogbo wa máa jìyà. It is not going to happen. It's as simple as that. And the earlier and the best thing for you to do is to give up the struggle. And you are in a position to give it up either honorably or forcibly. The ground for the forcible dissolution of the country is already in progress. But you can stop that forcible dissolution. You can gather the people of Nigeria together, become the statesman that the world will be talking about with admiration for the rest of time, and say, this thing, we can no longer do it. This thing called Nigeria is no longer possible. Balewa said there is nothing like Nigerian unity. It's all British intention for Nigeria. The people of Nigeria are different. Gawan, after being governor for about, being a military ruler for about 2 or 3 weeks, not too so. Only when all considerations have been brought into account, all consideration, be it political, be it economic, be it cultural, be it social. The bottom line is that the basis for Nigeria is not there. You yourself said it before. In the moment of truth, in the moment where you were forced to face the truth and accept the truth, you said it yourself, I do not believe in one Nigeria. There is no Nigerian unity. Anybody to Nigeria, you there is no Nigeria anymore. And the earlier we all become men, have the courage to dissolve Nigeria peacefully, the better for all of us and our children forever. If we don't do it, we will break up violently. And that will be a terrible thing. Professor, so and your mom listen to me. You don't contact good or myself when you're 1 year. Nigeria is going to break up. Nothing is going to stop it. Tinubu is occupying a position of great opportunity in life, in history, to make sure that it does not break up in massive bloodshed. He can do it. Let us begin to press it upon him. That's our duty. Our Yoruba will accept it. That's not our kind of government. All this crookedness, all this violence, a country in which nobody can sleep peacefully anymore. Countrywide, it's not our country. We Yoruba cannot ever accept. Even I want to go it's not your country. It can't. Your fathers created a society, a civilization that is superior to all of that. Many thousands of years ago. And now anything goes, as long as you put your money in your pocket. No. We Yoruba must lead. And we are saying it for all Yoruba people, not just for the few of us who are in the struggle for self-determination. Out of everyone, self-determination, we're in the millions, but there are 60 million Yoruba people. So I think you're a minority now. But we are saying it for all of us together. We are superior in culture and history to the kind of things that are happening in Nigeria. We do not belong in the kind of government where people will be dying in the streets and the politicians will be politicking around and collecting themselves and celebrating their good Father's Day and so on. No. Government sustained on lies, brazen lies. We Yoruba don't live like that. So ask your brother, your father, Tinubu, return to your Yoruba culture. Yorubas don't do the way you are doing. Yorubas don't lead the way you are leading. And let us begin to do it more boldly, not boldly. Let the world hear us say it. Thank you very much.